Hello fellow traders, the week's done, just checking out some charts, got a little something to share with you. I feel pretty confident with what I'm about to show you, coming back from 2000. This little spike up here off that quadruple nut, it's pretty straight up and not healthy. We know that's not healthy. Today I think was the top. I think we're going to see some hard downward pressure start next week. Before I show this chart, for everybody that watches this tonight, I want you to be honest and ask yourself, and then think about this. Who knew in March, when we were doing those trend lines off the 70 bottoms through the 60s and 70s that night when I did that stock talk, March 6th or somewhere around there, where I said this is it, if it drops below this, there's no telling how far down it's going to go. Who knew that right then Goldman Sachs was completely insolvent? And at that time is when Paulson strong-armed AIG to pay up on the insurance policies Goldman Sachs took out on their financial instruments, their loans that they were creating. And that's why they did that big push to get AIG funded and government take them over so they could give Goldman Sachs $30 billion. My question is, they weren't saying that night. That's what's funny about this, and that's why you got to read between the lines, and you can't believe them now because they didn't come out that night and say, things are looking good, it looks like the market's going to turn around here because they floated AIG. AIG owes Goldman and who knows who else billions of dollars for these insurance policies they took out against their loans they were writing. And but you knew they knew, and it's not until recently you're hearing talk about it too, like I heard today. It's like Willard guy on Fox News talked about it again today, and it's pretty amazing that it happened to happen right there. You can go back and look at that stock talk. I pull up these long-term charts, and that was it. That was the gradual climb. If we kept a nice climb, that's where we would have had to have been. Not up at 14,000. So think about it, if you're getting confused, and you don't, you're questioning yourself or questioning what's going on, you got to look at the real picture and ask yourself, how can you believe them now? And one more thing, do you think the insurance Goldman Sachs took out that they got paid is going to outweigh the losses as they keep coming? Have they taken out more insurance now that the government owns AIG so they can get paid again? Interesting. But check this out. This is the Dow right here. And this is why I did this stock talk. That was just something that was on my mind right there. But I'm going to grab this ruler right here. And this is from 99 on the Dow. See this peak right here? This peak and this little downtrend peaker right here. And this bottom. Okay? So we got those two tops. Okay? I'm going to just scoot the rule down just so you can see it. Points right to today. So we're actually on this little downslide after our peak in March of 2000 when everything started to crash. These points and this last little correction where we made our run to 14K points to pretty much where we closed today. Within 20 points on the Dow. I'll definitely be coming at you with some more videos by Sunday as I start taking closer looks at what's going on. Good luck.